What's Daniel got?
What's that, baby?
That, didn't you? Because you need a ball for it.
It's a ball.
Yay! That's you get two.
You got 2 balls.
2 trains and 2 balls. What else? Let's have in the paper. Oh wow!
It's a big one.
A big one.
Oh, it is. Isn't it, darling?
And I think that last Christmas he didn't know how to open presents or
That's
anything,
what
you
I was
know.
saying with John. He was ripping hers apart. He said, I could have seen it in the sky. He couldn't open them.
What's Santa brought you, Daniel?
What is that?
Oh wow!
Oh my goodness, Daniel! What is that?
Wow! Look at that.
Oh, that's a great present! Look at all those
Oh,
cars!
Get it with a wee handle, darling.
Look at Mommy.
What, do you want me to open it? Shall I open it for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you sellotape it a wee bit because it kept jumping.
What a great present this is!
Telling her, you'll know how to open it up the top.